Alright, Melford Hutchins here, making another video. I'm sure a lot of you have seen one of these. They're not a very uncommon fan. 3 speeds, 3 blades. One thing I've noticed about these fans is, like, when it first gets going, it seems like it takes about 15 minutes before the motor gets warmed up and before it starts actually getting up to speed. But I've been using this all day for like the last 3 weeks, so it's already warmed up. Where the switch is on the side. It's actually really clean. I got this at the Habitat store. I have a friend that works there, and so anytime he sees any fans of interest to me, he'll just let me have them for free. Yeah. And I'll turn it around real quick. Give you a view of the back. There's our motor. This one's a little different though, because I've seen other ones. It's got a cross brace going that way and up and down. But yeah. Sorry that the front's a little dark. My room's a little dark. Maybe I could let some light in real quick. Alright, here we go. First speed is high. Pretty quiet, runs good, wobbles a little. Medium. And low. Here's spin down. What's up, dude? Sorry, I was talking to my roommate. Blades look funny through this. I would like to find one of these with the thermostat and the reverse option. I'm guessing these fans were from mid-60s.